So now we'll move on to Arulnandhi Shivamji. He comes from the same team. They are working on Shaiva Āgamas, and Arulnandhi Shivamji is also part of the same team who are working on these Āgamas. He is going to talk about special prayers prescribed in the Āgamas to balance the nature. Arulnandhi Shivamji.
Namaste. Namaste. Om Sadashiva Samarambham Shrikantacharya Madhyamam Asmat Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Namaste, everyone. Good morning to everyone. Presence here. My humble pranams to all Vidwans. And I am discuss about in Uttara Kamika Āgama, 31st chapter in Adbhuta Shanti Vidhi. Talks about the balance and strengthen nature of environment around us. There are reference of the Shaiva Āgama in crossing like milk, flower and so on. Srimad Kamika Āgami Uttara Bhage Ekatrimshaha Patalaha Adbhuta Shanti Vidhi. Universal version of temples. Parartha Puja or worship done in temples is not just for the benefit of devotees or only humans, but for the benefit of the whole universe. Temple ecosystem is especially for balance living in and with the natural world. Sarvesham rakshanarthaya gramadishu visheshataha sthapitam vidhina lingam surairva munibhirnaraihi swayam udbhuta lingam cha pratimancheshwaratmakam tat parartham samakhyatam sarvesham atmanah phalam. This is in Karanagama Shloka. The first Adbhuta Shanti Vidhi, the Lord Shiva is telling Vakshed Bhutanam Shamtintu Sarvarishta Nivarinim Rajanyam Darshanam Bhanoho Pararaja Bhayam Bhaved. If one see the sun in the night or the moon in the morning, there is the threat for neighboring kings. And the next one is seeing the moon on a new moon day, also threat of aggressing for other kings. Darshe cha bhidite chandre paro raja bhavishyati sambhave bhumikampetu nripabhango bhave dhruvam. If earthquakes occur, in creates a threat to the king and kingdom for sure. The next one is if temple structures, garden, etc. degenerated and collapse, if the rivers, tank, lakes dry up despair, it will result is durbhiksha, poorest and duration. Worshipping the Lord evanistic can regenerate the water bodies. Prasadabhantapadyadi dhramanepyevam nadi tataka kupadi kshobhe durbhikshata bhavet. This is the main point of the Adbhuta Shanti Vidhi. Madhukshi Rajya Vrishtyadau Rashtra Kshobham Samadhishet mritteila ashmasrigat dhirva varshastet dadvahehitaha. The rain of honey, milk, ghee, sand and stone or flowers indicated impending description of pralaya kala. Loke mridadi vrishtischede kshirasnapana samyutam. The sandstorms as in the desert performing abhisheka with milk and elevate. About the tree, the temple tree should not move, else the crop will be destroyed. Murti homa should be done with twigs of the same species. A new tree should be planted and watered in the homa water. The acharya should protect the sapling till the 3 bears fruits in the 3 years. Vrikshe sthanantaram prapte sasya nasho bhavishyati tadvriksha jati sambhuta samidbhir murti homakam samvatsaratrayad drava vrikshe pushpa phalodbhavem. On the point of 6, if the drums beat on their own, if gas, anshunal and great rains, pandemic, bheryadi nam swayam ghoshe mahamari pravartate. Loke grahana kshatrapatane vahananam kshayam. If comments fall on earth, the destroys the live vahana like elephants, cow, bulls, horse, cats and so on. It can also causes destructions of wild animals as well, like tiger, vishabha, etc. also. Expanded death of animals. Pratyaham shaddina durdham ashane patane satim. If one sees a rainbow at night, it causes distractions. Tatshakha patitas chedvi rakshakshobho mahan bhavete tadeka shakha patane kalaho bhuvi jayate. One should not cut down trees. If case destruction of the king and kingdom, not even the tree, but even in one branch falls down. If cases confusion and despair in the world. Even in the Kumara Sambhavam, Devi talks about using only falling twigs. Swayam patita vriksha patrani. And the next point is Ativrishti samutpattau bhuvo durbhikshatam bhavet. Excessive rain indicated impending famine. And the next part of this PowerPoint, the Shodashopachara Vidhanam. Unlike in Shivalaya, they are doing Nitya Pujas. And the Nitya Pujas, they are doing offering the Shiva to Shodasha Upachara, the 16 types of Deepa. The first Deepa is the Naga Deepa. And the Veda mantra, Namo astu sarpe bhyo je ke cha prithvi manu je antarikshe je divike bhyas sarpe bhyo namaha. Jagatam sarpabhiti nasharthamayam Nagadipam. Destroys fear of snakes. All peoples destroys fear of snakes. The second Deepa, Vrishabha Deepa. The Vrishabha is the Dharma Swarupa. The Āgamas says, Dharmadhipataye Om Maham Vrishabhaya Namaha. In the Dhwajarohanam also, we offering the puja and the Dhwajapada, Dharma Devata, the Vrishabha. The Veda mantras, yes, Sushringas Vrishabha, Kalyano Drona Ahitaha, Karshi Vala Pradanena, Vrishabhena Yajamahe, Vrishabhena Yajamanaha, Akruruneva Satpisha, Mridhascha Sarvajindrena, Pritanascha Jayamasi, Yasyaya Mrishabho Havihim, Jagatam Dharma Raksharthoyam, Vrishabhadipaha, products dharma in the world. The next Deepa is Purusha Mriga Deepa. The Purusha Mriga is of Purusha and of Mriga. Purusha Mriga Adhipataye Om Ham Vishnave Namaha. The Veda mantra Purusha Mrigas Chandramase Godha Kalakadarva Ghataste Vanaspati Namen Yanhe Krishno Ratri Jai Pikah Kshvinka Neelashishne Deher Yamne Dhatu Katkataha Jagatam Sanjana Utpathyatoyam Purusha Mriga Deepam. Create evolutions of dharmic and the good peoples in the world. The next Deepa is Gaja Deepa. Gajadhipataye Om Lam Indraya Namaha. The Veda mantra Trata Ramindram Avita Ramindragum Have Have Suhavagum Shu Ramindram Huvenu Shakram Puruhotamindragis Vastido Maghava Dhatindraha. Samasta Prani Raksharthoyam Gajadipaha products all human beings in the world. Mayura Deepam. Mayuradhipataye Om Sam Skandaya Namaha. The Veda mantras Mayuh Prajapatya Bulo Hali Ikshno Vrishadagum Saste Dhatus Saraswati Sarishetah Purushavak Saraswate Shukashetah Purushavaka Ranyo Nakulashakate Paushna Vache Kraunchaha Jagatam Uchita Kale Survishti Praptyarthamidam Mayura Deepaha ensures timely rains in the world. The next one is Meru Deepa. The Meru is the Kailasha. Kailasadhivataye Omha Maheshwaraya Namaha. The Veda mantra Nahishe Kumiva Mahamerum Gantum Apashyamahame Tatsurya Mandalam Parivartamanam Garyah Pranatrataha Gachanta Mahamerum. The Meru Deepa offered Sarvaloka Rakshartham, product all the worlds. The Deepakas tell 228 bhuvanas. The 228 bhuvanas Rakshartham Meru Deepam. And the next one is Trishula Deepa. Trishuladhipataye Om Ham Rudraja Namaha. The Veda mantra Yo Rudro Agnavyo Apsuyavo Shadhishu Yo Rudro Vishwa Bhuvana Vivesha Tasmai Rudraja Namo Astu. Jagatam Shanti Siddhyarthamidam Trishula Deepam, for the establishment of the place in the world. And the next one is Surya Deepaha. Suryadhipataye Om Saha Shiva Suryaya Namaha. Asatye Narajasa Vartamano Niveshajan Amritam Martyancha Hiranyajena Savitarathena Devo Jati Bhuvana Vipashyan Jagatam Prakasha Siddhyartoyam Surya Deepaha, for light and brightness in the world. And the next one is Ashwadeepaha. Ashwadhipataye Om Ham Bhaskaraja Namaha. Ashvaschatus Trigumshaha Prajapatyo Vashvaha Prajapatistanu Prajapatihi Om Jagatam Sarvaishwarya Pradasiddhyartoyam Ashwadeepaha, for the all prosperity of the fame in the world. The conclusions. There are the two kinds of intervention prescribed in the canon on the product from the effect of the effect of into words independence of the other of productive bestow good effect on the world. Some of the untowards intendants and the maintained of the canon inducting there are the possible of their dear according during extreme climate change situations. Their productivity rituals of waving the different kinds of the lamp can be seen even today in temples. The corner of is for balance of nature will begin of all cultures and the productivity of the king and kingdom. Therefore, temple rituals are not just for one set of believers, but for the benefit of the whole universe, visible and invisible. Is the broad visions of Hinduism and a true reflections of Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam in practice. Shivamayam.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Swamiji.
Thank you
very much for the
thank you for this great opportunity and for sharing my visuals with your my humble pranams to our Guruji Shri Shri Ravishankar Guruji and our principal and Shanmukha Shivacharya and Deepa Durai Swami Madam and Nagaraj ji. Namaste Shivamayam.
Namaste. Namaste Swamiji.